I am Cyril James Galore from Baal 2 Black 1, and for today I will read the English Foolishness. If you pronounce head, dead, and beard, you will hear the last word rhymes with did. In this poem, you will surely find many items of this kind. For instance, dear and fear and hear but bear. Gear and tear but wear and tear. Yes and lease but please, pleased but pleasant. Meant and pit but sweat and great. The last word rhymes with freight and weight. Quite differently again is height, which sounds like bite, indite, and light. The next line should be read with care. The praying prayer says he is prayer. Bean and lean and mean but meant. Note G and get in gem and gent. Vice but crevasse, advice and device. Lies but malice, police and concise. We say dreamt but also dreamed. The last word rhyming with esteemed. Grew and blew and knew but so. Cow and row but sow and row. Measles does not sound like measures. The same applied to treason and treasure. Blade and made and laid but said. Threat but threat and thread but thread. First say danger, then say anger. Count but country, southern but south. Disguise but bruise, youth and hunt. Brook but brooch and brood but blood. Hood but mood and food but flood. Mint but pint and cork but work. Lull and skull but bull and pull. R and flower but tour and poor. We say bone and loan but gun. Pronounce like don or don. Tone and stone and throne but done. Phone and home and scone but none. Now, reader, always bear in mind the difference between wind and wind. The latter rhymes with rind and kind. Can you pronounce without mistakes? Macload, Rachel, ache, petal, penal, one, pant, slant, van, one, rabies, grant, and grunt. I don't blame you if you can't. Okay? Done. I'm done. Literally done.